Hi there, this is Lee from Otters SEO. As promised, I'm going to send you this custom video to show how a website will help increase your online presence and also potentially bring in a lot more customers for your business. I know you don't have a website at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the competition just to give you an idea of what you could potentially do with a website. So one of the top competitors for builders in Cape Town is CPT Builders. They've got building contractors listed here. And the first thing I want to go over is content. So looking at the homepage, they've got quite a lot of pictures here, which is nice, good reviews, but not a lot of content. And the issue with this is that Google, when you want to rank high in Google so people can find you, they're looking for a lot of content on your homepage of your website. They're looking between 1,500 to 2,000 words so that they can crawl and index your website to make sure they can find those relevant keywords and list you actually on Google. So this is the top guys on Google at the moment in Cape Town, and completely beatable in my opinion. So when you do create your website, just remember the content is very important. Next, what I want to talk about is on Google, when you put in building contractors in Cape Town, the first part that comes up is Google Ads, and these are links that people pay for to be on here. So every time I click on a link, they will pay Google a certain percentage or a certain amount, and it can bring you in traffic quite quickly, but it does cost you money at the end of the day. The second part I want to show you is the Google Map listing. And this is very nice because if you're in the top 3 of the Google Map listing, then people can very easily find you. So it's almost like prime real estate. So you can quickly see what the contact number is and also get to your website. So how do you get on the Google Map listing? Well, basically, you need to increase the number of citations. Now, what a citation is basically a citation is a combination of your name, your contact number, and your address. And the way to increase your citations is to actually get it listed at various directories. So you think about yellow pages and those kind of things. The more citations you have at these directories, the higher you will place on the Google Map listing. And then of course things like your reviews that people leave you will also have an impact to get you into this top 3. The ballpark figure, you normally want to have around about 200 citations to guarantee your spot in this top 3. Another thing I want to cover here is the organic search result. So when people type in building contractors Cape Town, Google basically gives you what they think are the most relevant for that search term. At the moment, like I said, CPT Builders is your highest ranked one, and interesting statistics is about 30% of people, when they search that term, they will click on the first link, 15% will be on the second one, and 10% on the third one. Less than 9% of people will actually go past the first page. So very important that your website and your business actually listed on this first page of Google so you can get all that potential leads and customers for your business. So how do you actually get your company, actually your website listed in this first page of Google? Well, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in essence what this tool allows you to do, you can put in a website and it gives you numbers that Google will potentially see. And this is what they will use to actually rank your website onto that first page. And the first thing that you see is UR, and that's your trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website. They at the moment have a 27, and their DR is a strength index of how strong Google thinks your website is. It's only sitting at a 3.5. So for the top competitor, I think this is quite beatable to get past. At the moment, they have 911 backlinks, and all that a backlink is that it's a link on another website that actually points to your website, right? So another website will say that your website, you're a very good building contractor, and this is a link to their website, and that's basically the shout out. So the more backlinks you have, and also the better quality backlinks that you have as well, the higher you will rate in Google's eyes as well. The 376 of referring domains is basically the number of websites they have at the moment having backlinks to their website. So you also want to have as many number of referring domains as you can. At the moment, you can see the organic traffic. They at the moment have about 721 people every month roughly coming to their website. So this is potential traffic, potential leads and customers that you could be getting if you had a website sitting on the #1 position. And the organic keywords is basically the words that they have on their website that Google is finding them for. Now, if we look at some of the keywords that they have here, you will see various things like how to tile a bathroom, and there's 90 people every month searching for this keyword. If people are looking for garage conversions, 20 people a month. You can even sort this by volume, and then you can see adding a bathroom to a garage, you have 400 people per month that's actually looking for this key term. And the majority of these guys are actually coming to this competitor's website, and this is potential traffic that you could be getting. So just to summarize, when creating the website, look at the content on your homepage. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words so that Google can find you. You want to increase the number of citations so you can get onto the Google map listing in the top 3 positions. And third is you want to get your backlinks and your referring domains as high as possible so that you can display high on the Google's organic search result. So all this is free of charge, all these tips and tricks. You're more than welcome to go and do it yourself. If you have any questions or you want to reach out to me, so how we could potentially help you create the website and actually get you ranked on Google and get all this traffic, please drop us a call or drop me a text and I will reach out and set up a meeting with you to discuss. If you're not interested, no harm, no foul. I would really appreciate some feedback if you thought this was helpful or not. Cheers.